So hello my dear students, welcome back again, and this is the continuation of the discussion about the first type of a conic section, which is the circle. So there are two forms of equation of a circle. The standard form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and the general form is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where d, e, and f are constant. Okay, so this given form, magamit nato ni siya. How about what are going to do if the given form is in general form? Paano nato siya makuha ang iyang center as well as the radius of a given circle? So unsa atong buhaton is to convert the general form into its standard form para makuha nato ang center as well as the radius. Vice versa, if we are given the center and the radius and we are asked to find for the general form, so mao ni siya atong magamit. So we have example number 4. We have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus y or 4y plus 9 equals 0. Find for the center and the radius of the circle and graph the circle. Okay, so what is our way in finding the standard form? The first step is to i-group nato siya ang tanan x as well as tanan nga y, and the constant is being i-transpose nato siya sa other nga side. Okay, ang tanan x i-group, ang tanang y i-group nato, and the constant will be transposed to the other side. So mo ni siya ang mahitabo, x squared minus 6x plus x squared plus 4y equals negative 4. Okay, so next is to find for a coefficient nga i-add nato diri para mahimo siya og perfect square, as well as mangita pud tag coefficient nga i-add nato diri sa y squared plus 4y para mahimo siya og perfect square. So unsa pagkuha nato og coefficient para mahimo siya og perfect square, just simply get the half of this one, kuha nato iyang half, and square nato siya. Ang half dayon is square, so we have x over 2 squared plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 over 2 squared, that is equal to 9. Again, in addition property, kung nag-add ta og mga coefficient sa one side, we will make sure nga mag-add po ta sa other side. So addan po nato siya og x or 6 over 2 squared plus 4 over 2 squared. Okay, simplify. We have x squared minus 6x plus 6 over 2 equals 3 squared, that is equal to 9, plus y squared plus 4y plus 4 over 2 equals 2 squared, that is equal to 4, equals negative 9 plus 9 plus 4. That's it. Okay? So, naanatay duha ka perfect square sa x o perfect square sa y. So, we have the factors of x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals negative 9 plus 9, 0 plus 4, that is equal to 4. So, naka-create na ta og standard form nga this one. So, we can now find for the center, h and k, as well as the radius. So, the center, h and k, is equal to 3 and negative 2. 3 siya kay ang gisundan sa atong equation sa atong h is negative, so therefore ang h niya is positive 3. Ang gisundan, magbase sa equation, ang gisundan sa 2 nga sign is positive, so therefore ang iyang k is equal to negative. And the radius, this is our r squared equals to 4. Para r na lang mabilin, get the square root of r squared and 4. What will be remain is 2. So the radius is equal to 2. So this will be the graph of our example number 4, where we have 3 and negative 2 as the center. And from the center to any point of the circle measured as equal to 2. Mo na siya, radius is equal to 2. Okay? So last example. Example number 5, x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. The same as the same question, find for the center, the radius of the circle, as well as the graph of the circle. Okay, this is in the form of a general form solution. So we are going to copy this given equation, x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. So again, atong buhaton is to group those values of x, i-group pod ang values of y, and the constant will be transposed to the other side. So we have x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 2y, that is equal to negative 4. So look for a coefficient nga makahimo niya og perfect square trinomial. We have x squared minus 6x, get the half of 6 and ato siyang i-square, plus y squared plus 2y plus the half of 2 over 2 and ato siyang i-squared equals negative 4. Nag-add ta sa one side o kani and this one, so make sure we add the same to the other side, plus 6 over 2 squared plus 2 over 2 squared. Simplify na to, we will get x squared minus 6x plus the half of 6 is 3 squared na to, that will become 9. plus y squared plus 2y plus the half of 2 is 1. Squared na to siya. 1 ra gyapon equals negative 4 plus 9 plus 1. Okay? So nanatay perfect square trinomial in x and perfect square trinomial in y. So we have the factors of x minus 3. So we get the square root of 9. So we have 3 plus y plus 1 squared equals negative 4 plus 9 equals 5 plus 1, 6. So naka-create na ta og standard form. Mao na siya ang standard form. So we can now find for the values of for the center as well as the radius. Center, h and k. So we have the center as 3 and negative 1. For our radius, so we have r squared is 6. So our r is equal to square root of 6. Mao na siya ang atong r and the center. We have the graph, the x and y axis. The center is 3 and negative 1. So makita na siya sa fourth quadrant. 1, 2, 3. And y coordinate is 1. So this is the center, 3 and negative 1. And the radius from the center to any point of the circle is equal to square root of 6. So maka-create ta og circle nga like this one. Okay? So I hope you learned something with our discussion. It's entitled circle. So stay tuned with other discussion for the next lesson. So thank you and God bless.